Hi, Math 3. So the last homework for this week is identifying a transformation to a natural log function. So anytime you have this e, this is kind of like pi where it represents a number, but it's for what we need to use it for, a natural log. And so we need to know that it's the opposite of ln. And so our parent function here is going to be f of x equals e to the x. And we want to just identify what has been added to this equation, and then we can identify the transformations. So the first thing that's been added is this multiplication of 2 out front. So because we're multiplying by a whole number, just with our other functions, this is going to be a stretch of 2. Now remember, if we're stretching it, it means we're pulling it away from that x-axis. We also have a negative sign, but it's just in front of the x, only in front of our x. So the negative sign in front of an x is going to be a flip, but it's going to be over the y-axis. Remember, if it's out front, it's over the x-axis, but if it's only done to the x, then it's just to the y-axis, or it's a flip over the y-axis. Now this plus 4 as an exponent, that's also different because over here we don't have anything being added or subtracted to our exponent. So we're only adding 4 to x. Anytime something is only being done to x, that's considered inside the function. And so if we're adding 4 to x, we're going to the left 4. Because again, inside is left and right, and at the end is up and down. The last transformation is this minus 7 in the back, and again, at the end of the function is going to be up and down because we're subtracting 7, we're going down 7. So go ahead and repeat this problem 2 more times, and then try the problems on the back.